Those are mats.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We're talking about redoing that whole truck.
That thing
Make it even lighter, putting these in there.
Up down here. I was like, who fucking truck is this? It was like mine's.
No, it's not.
Like, damn, that's loud. But
That's beautiful. You built the box?
Okay, so I don't understand how that box works then. What the fuck is that?
That's a six-order.
What?
It's a
That thing
six-order.
is so many pieces and so many
Had to be
holes.
built by three pieces.
Yeah.
A six-order. One side's sealed, one side's ported.
Yeah.
That thing looks
Yeah,
crazy.
that had to go in 3 pieces.
It looks crazy. I seen it. I was like, I don't even see how this thing is making sound.
It's nasty.
Yeah.
It's fucking nasty. It sounds like something broken in there. Like he snapped some wood. Yeah, actually.
Oh, he's broke 4 woofers now so far, breaking the baskets.
Something broke. He broke something. It sounds
What
like,
version did you say these were?
What's that?
What version of the subs were these?
Night terrors.
Night Terrace, okay.
Those are
That
dope.
box is beautiful.
They have people
That
right
box
into the
is-
fourth order.
That's dope. You're good. You're good, man.